So the car won't start up. It's been showing this message for over 2 minutes now, and it won't start up. So let's see if a reboot fixes it. So you have to hold these two buttons for some time. The wheel is locked. Oh, finally.
It cleared.
It cleared. That was scary. We were pressing the brake and nothing happened. Now it.
Good.
But still, is it on? Like the screen has not come on. We still have no screen. That's weird. So let's try a
This is
reset,
black.
right?
Yeah, this is black. So gotta.
Is that the reset? Like you hold
That
this?
should. That was it, as far as I remember.
It's been what, 5-6 seconds now?
Nothing.
No. Here we go. It's booting up.
Okay.
Alright, so this computer has nothing to do with driving supposedly, and here we go. Yeah, works. Now the camera is activated. That was a quick boot up, by the way.